The image I chose is a picture of the BP Gulf oil spill, also known as the Deepwater Horizon oil spill. The image shows the Deepwater Horizon drilling rig in flames in the Gulf of Mexico off the coast of Louisiana. It happened on April 20th, 2010, and was caused by a blowout, and all the systems to prevent it from happening failed. The explosions and fires of the rig killed 11 workers, and the rig sank 2 days later. The oil continued to spew from the well for another 87 days, releasing about 5 million barrels, or about 210 million gallons of oil before it was capped on July 15th. But it wasn't all the way sealed until September 19th. But even a couple of years later, in 2012, there were even still reports of oil leaking from the well. After an investigation, it was found that faulty concrete was used on the well. BP then pled guilty on 11 counts of manslaughter, 2 misdemeanors, and a felony of lying to Congress. Also, BP agreed to pay $18 billion in fines, which is the largest corporation settlement in U.S. history. The spill had major effects on the surrounding area, extensively damaging the marine and wildlife in the area and the fishing and tourism industries. In Louisiana, they cleaned up 4.5 million pounds of oily material in just 2013. Oil was also found as far as Florida. The spill also affected about 8,300 different animal species. The spill also closed off an area of the Gulf, costing the fishing industry about $2.5 billion, and the tourism industry could exceed losses of $23 billion. I picked this image because I felt it was a very important event that happened in my lifetime, and in many ways still affects the Gulf of Mexico today. I feel I have a connection with this image because it happened quite recently, and I remember seeing and hearing about it on the news. I also think the event highlights the problem that we have today of trying to support our everyday lifestyles without causing huge destruction to the environment.